Hi, I'm Hudson. This is PJ. We're with Source One Environmental, and today we'll be showing you the fold method for our 3036 PipePatch. Normally, we would have our protective sleeve on and our airline hooked up, but for training purposes, we will not be using those today. To start, you want to take your packer, and from your reference to your air fitting, you have your first fold line on the left side of the packer. Then you want to make sure your packer is centered between the pack out lines and the patch, and your first fold line is at the edge of the packer. From there, we will go to the first fold, pull it over to the edge, and then we will take our second fold, come over top, and tuck any excess underneath the packer. From there, we will go on the right side of the air fitting, make our first fold over the top, and then we will take our other side, fold it right over the first side. This is where you would install your zip ties on each end and 3 on the patch.